guys, it's Casey from Coding Kid, and today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy Folds and why are they breaking already. So let's get started. At Samsung's Unpacked event, they released their Galaxy Fold, and it's an amazing device. The screen actually OLED folds, and similar to how Apple and other companies on the iPhone 10, you can get those rounded edges, and that's how the rounded edges work. But on other devices, like the Galaxy Fold, the screen is made out of plastic. Interesting. So to protect the plastic, Samsung put on a piece of layering. And that piece of layering, especially in the test versions, they didn't write a little seal or anything. They didn't write "don't remove it," a screen protector. So many people remove it and the screen turns off. And this is a $2,000 device. So if you're losing your whole device in a matter of minutes, that's a huge thing. So that's a big mistake that Samsung's made on their part. But if people can peel off the screen protector, don't you think it'll peel off after days of use and stuff? So I don't want to go on hating on Samsung, but if you look at this is going to be a hard product to sell. Even though they've gotten a lot of pre-orders, we've only seen the carrier T-Mobile put an extra seal on top and an extra warning, because Samsung hasn't included a single thing about it. But if the thing peels off on its own, even in the corner, people are saying that the whole screen will go off because this plastic layer is so sensitive. So, but I think that the Galaxy Fold will be a really cool device. You guys should tell me what you think in the comments below. And tell me what you think about going on with this phenomenon. So, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys later. Check out my website, like this video, subscribe, and bye.